Hi Josh, I hope all's well. What we're going to do in this lesson is we're going to keep working on that thing we worked on last week with the alternate picking and getting that nice and smooth and even and fast and consistent. And what I'd like you to do is keep doing that 1, 2, 3, 4, 1, 2, 3, 4, 1, 2, 3, 4 up, and then 1, next string 2, back, 3, next string 4, yeah? And that whole way up and across. So what I want you to try and do is play around with not only your timing within it being 4 notes, so like you could do crotchet quavers, you know, that kind of thing. Not only doing like 1, 2, 3, 4 and 1, 2, 3, 4, 1, 2, 3, 4, but maybe trying something like triplets, yeah? So going, if the click's 3, 4, 1, 2, 3, 4, 1, 2, 3, 1, 2, 3, 1, 2, 3, 1, 2, 3, 1, 2, 3, like that kind of thing, yeah? So playing with triplets. If it's easier to start breaking it down much slower, it's crucial to get triplets right, because you don't want to be, you can do triplets and then be caught like a bar early if you really kept doing it for a while. So it's really crucial to get that 1, 2, 3, 4. Yeah, to do with the, yeah, and to get that easier, doing it slower would be really useful. So 1. Just practicing 3s. So that's what I want you to do with the metronome. Just like that. 1, 2, 3, 1, 2, 3, 1, 2, 3, that kind of thing. What I also wanted to talk about was legato. So the most crucial thing, we might have mentioned this briefly before, but it's really, really crucial to get down and really important, is that when you're playing legato, this hand becomes the metronome. Okay? So typically when you're doing alternate picking, say we're going to do this lick, yeah? If there's a click going, 1, 2, 3, like that. My right hand's the metronome currently. My right hand's doing all the note placement, and my left hand's just choosing what notes are being played, yeah? With legato, what we're doing is the left hand is also being the placement and the timing, yeah? So we're just going to pick and it's going to be like that, yeah? And what we're thinking about is basically making sure that our left hand is even and consistent with the timing. And the way to work on that is like we did before, with just a lick, okay? So let's do this lick for example. So 6, 5, 3, 6. 6, 5, 3, 6. And just try swapping between. So try doing a few times round of just alternate picking. And then try legato. Yeah? And what we're also going to do is we're going to break it down into smaller and faster segments. So we're going to go. And we're alternating. Alternate picking, legato. Alternate, legato. Like that, yeah? And I just did it a little bit there, so I pushed the note, which is what happens with legato. So what you want to be is you want to be on every note, but what you can tend to do, because you're pulling off, you can push because you think it would take longer than it takes, so you might push it like that, yeah? So that's something to watch out for. But yeah, I hope as well. Also, if you could, just keep going with your songs and try and take some of these techniques you've done into your improvised solos within them. Yeah? And what we're also going to do is a full run through of all your songs to make sure that they're all good. And then we'll just keep working on some technique. But from what I've heard, you're sounding good, and it's sounding like you're making lots of progress. So I'll see you next week. Have a good week and weekend.